My name is Preeti Pathak. I'm an educator. I am associated with an NGO by the name Atman Academy. This is an academy which is for children with special needs.
I am Anu Pathak. I'm working with Raymond Textile Company in Thane for the last 14 years.
We moved into Thane in the year 2007, and when we finally decided to move in from the house that we are currently in, we just sort of heard from a few friends about places and accommodations that were being coming up on this side. We didn't want to go very far from Raymond, where my husband is working, or from the school which my daughter has 2 years more to go with. We came to Courtyard and bingo, we just knew we had to move in here. When we just entered the gate, the first thing that struck us was the space, the ample space. It was not constricted, so as we walked into Roseanne and we came up, everything seemed simple. You know, the house was simple. There was simplicity, yet everything was very beautiful. It just made us realize that it's simply crafted.
The sports area, the clubhouse area, it is very well planned.
I really loved the ambience. I especially loved the clubhouse because it had all the amenities such as the gym, the basketball court, the table tennis court. And me being a sports person, avid sports person, I think the clubhouse is one thing which attracted to me the most.
We had a conversation about the space. Should we go in for a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom? And I think we decided that since it's going to be a long-term investment where we're going to be creating our home there, it's better to go in for a bigger space. So I think Roseanne just fitted our requirement of a 3-bedroom. So here we are at the living room. This is an L-shaped structure out here, very beautifully, simply designed. There's a lot of space. There's a lot of scope for sunlight to come pouring in from all sides. So I'm going to have a nice cozy space around here, maybe some sofas, some bean bags lying around, a nice television, a lot of plants again. I like to have my house full of plants. Dining area is basically a place where it's family time. You know, we all come together, we have a meal together. So there is going to be a 6-seater table out here. I love wood, so I'm going to have a wooden seating arrangement. And of course, I'm very fond of crystal glasses. So I'm going to have, I can already visualize myself having a beautiful cupboard with a lot of cut glasses and crockery and cutlery. The kitchen is quite a masterpiece, I would say, of the house. Well, there are a couple of things I have in mind, which I would like to maybe just let you know that there's a lot of space outside where I'm going to have my pots. My little kitchen garden out there, I have a collection of pots which I'm going to put it there. Everything is very well structured and very well organized in the kitchen. So this room can also be converted into a guest room because that's the kind of stuff that I'm going to have out here. I would not like to have a proper bed kind of a thing, but I think I'm going to just throw some mattresses which could be turned around into a bed at night. So here is the puja area that's been given. I am really not sure how I'm going to put it up, but I think I will have some ideas rolling in when I come in. So how I look at this room is a space where the children can just explore, just do up the room the way they want to do it up. There's ample natural light flowing into this room, which is the beauty of this room. So welcome to my space. Before we walk in further, let me just give you a little bit of a beautiful area that has been created by Courtyard, which is this walk-in wardrobe. So this is a space where I can just walk in and out and just alter my egos and play on when I get out of that room. So here's is the master bedroom. So we are looking at doing a very simple getup for this room. We're going to have the wardrobes. Of course, another beauty of this room is there's a lot of light coming in. The natural light this flows in is what floored me to move in and to look at courtyard. We're going to have a double bed, of course. The wood will be having a matching wardrobe along with it. Of course, a television for the nights to be consumed for a while. When I walked in to this house, my first thought was just to open the balcony door and see what lay or what was it that I would be experiencing outside. And truly, it was just what I wanted. A view of the hills, the greenery around, so much of space. There is ample area for children to be around, for old people to be walking, taking their evening walks. The view is breathtaking. Very much.
I am after the management to finish it as early as possible so I can move it.